Squad. So we are currently at Six Summer, day number 2. For those that don't know what Six Summer is, it is a drag and drive event that happens in the Midwest, put on by Sick the Mag. Basically, it is a drag and drive. There's over 50 of them all over the world now. We take our race cars with very, very little support. We drive anywhere from 600-700 miles, so some of them are 1,500 miles. We race for 5 days, and it's in search of the fastest street car at that event. And then there's also classes with different wins. So self-sufficient, fast cars, street legal. If you haven't experienced it, you've got to come to one of these events. Why is it a must-attend event? Somebody asked me this question earlier this week, and my answer for that is there are a ton of drag and drives, and each of them have their own vibe and personality. Even Sick Week to Sick Summer is a totally different event. But currently, we are at Great Lakes Dragway, and if you just cruise around, like right now, I'm looking at the sculpture of a big mouse holding a cheeseburger, and if you walk through those pits, there's a whole little community and atmosphere. One of my favorite parts about Sick Summer is the crowd. It's a Tuesday, and it was like over a mile long of traffic to get into the track. Like the community of like the automotive community in this area of the country is insane. And so like I love getting to talk to everybody, and if you're a spectator, these are great tracks to spectate out. Really great venues, so you have to come to Sick Summer next year. All right, day 2 of Sick Summer is over. It was so much better than yesterday. We ran a 6:71. I'm getting ready to go turn that time slip in. Yesterday sucked, today is great, tomorrow is anybody's race. So the crazy part about drag and drive is you have a good day and then you gotta pack it up, move the show down the road, and do it all again. So anybody's race, anything can happen. We just gotta stay in it, do our best, and if it turns out good, it's a good week. And if not, day 1 killed us, but we're gonna go fast this week. That's the goal. So I'm going to turn this time slip in. If I don't get on the road, my dad might yell at me in a minute because we are slow today. We have our longest day yet on the road, 220 miles. If it's on an open road, it'll be great. If it's on a back road, it's gonna be rough because they go so slow. But anyways, I'm turning this in, I'm hitting the road, and I'm glad Peak Squad joined us for today.